If your RG6 was smashed with your cutters, reshape it with your thumb and forefinger so it is round, as shown here. Strip the cable by spinning your cable stripper 3 times one way and 3 times back. Quad Shield RG6 has 4 layers arranged in this order: braid, foil, braid, and foil. Peel back the first layer of the cable shielding, which is braid. Careful when peeling the layers of braid back. The shielding is sharp and can prick your fingers. Now peel back the cable's second layer, which is foil, and third layer, which is braid. Careful not to disturb the bonded foil surrounding the dielectric. Unlike the other 3 layers, this layer of foil is designed to stay on the dielectric. When properly prepped, the first 3 layers of the cable shielding should be folded back on the PVC jacket. We are now ready to install our F connector. Make sure the connector you're using is designed for Quad Shield RG6 cable. RG6 connectors have a larger aperture on the back of the connector. Push the connector onto the cable until the dielectric meets the bottom of the threads. This is very important. You are now ready to compress your connector. Install your connector in your compression tool. Now slowly squeeze the handles until the connector is completely compressed.